Running out of Dropbox storage. Before you start deleting random files, there are a few better ways to clean things up. In this guide, I'll show you how to check what's using your space, remove unnecessary files, and free up Dropbox storage safely. First, sign into your Dropbox account and open the account or storage settings. Check how much space you're using and look for the categories taking up the most room. Knowing what's actually using your storage makes cleanup much easier. Next, look through your Dropbox files for large videos, backups, archives, and other files you no longer need. Sort or review your content carefully and start with the biggest unnecessary files. Removing a few large items can free up space much faster than deleting lots of tiny files. When you find something you don't need anymore, open its options and choose Delete. Before confirming, make sure you really don't need the file. Remember, deleting a synced file can remove it from Dropbox and other connected devices. After deleting files, check your Dropbox deleted files or trash area. Depending on your account and Dropbox's current policies, deleted content may remain there for a period of time. If you're sure you don't need those files, follow the available option to permanently remove them. Another thing to check is shared content. Some shared files or folders can contribute to your storage usage, depending on how they're owned and shared. Review your shared content and leave or remove anything you no longer need access to when the available controls allow it. If you're using Dropbox on a computer, consider making supported files online, only when you don't need a local copy. This can free up space on your computer's hard drive while keeping the files available through Dropbox. Yeah, this is especially useful for large videos and older projects. Finally, check your Dropbox plan and storage limit. If you've already removed everything unnecessary but still need more space, you may need to consider a plan with more storage. So clean up first, then decide whether you actually need an upgrade, and that's how to free up Dropbox storage without deleting files blindly. Check your storage, remove unnecessary large files, review deleted content and shared folders, and use online-only files when appropriate. A little cleanup can make a big difference.